Hello guys, welcome back to literature classes. This is Abhilasha. Guys, today I am going to discuss a very important topic related to fiction. Means this is a type of novel you can say, that is science fiction. So today we will learn about science fiction. What is science fiction? What are the elements of science fiction, and what are the major examples of science fiction? Guys, actually science fiction is a type of fiction in which the author or the writer deals with something extraordinary, you can say something beyond imagination, something that is reality and imagination. So in the science fiction, the author or the novelist portrayed the characteristics, the things which are related to exploration, innovation, okay, or the things like they talk about robots, they talk about machines, they talk about aliens. So, and you must have heard about Gulliver Travels, which is written by Jonathan Swift. In the Gulliver Travels, you have seen how Gulliver turns into a huge human being. There are several things that depicts that it is a science fiction. And you must have heard about Time Machine, which is written by H.G. Wells. The very famous work of Mary Shelley, that is Frankenstein. So these things we will learn in detail. So without wasting much time on this, let's get started. Okay, so science fiction. Science fiction represents the imagined reality. Imagined reality means the reality which can only imagine, which can only be imagined, or futuristic concept, a concept which is related to future. The writers talk about science and technology. The writers or the novelist or the authors talk about science because it is a science fiction. So they could talk about science, they talk about technology, they talk about space exploration, time travel, parallel universe, and extraterrestrial life. I told you that the writers or the authors talk about the things like time travel, parallel universe, like something like exploration, space explorations, they talk about aliens, okay, science and technology, they talk about mind control, they talk about telepathy, aliens, fictional world, artificial intelligence like machines. So these things are depicted in the science fiction. Often the settings of these fictions, often the setting of these fiction is like another planet, like Earth projected into future, imagine parallel universe. These are the settings of science fiction. Actually, these scientific fiction always contradict with the natural things. Means they do not talk about any natural things. They talk about the artificial things, the things which can only imagine, like utopian things. In the utopian novel, we see the things which cannot be happen in the real life. Human being cannot exist in the utopian world. So that these things are only possible in the fiction, only in the science fiction. According to Isaac Asimov says that science fiction can be defined as that the branch of literature which deals with the reaction of human beings to changes in science and technology. Science fiction can be defined as that branch of literature. Means it is also in literature. So this science fiction, this genre of science fiction is a branch of literature also which deals with the reaction of human beings. How human beings react to changes in science and technology. When science takes place, something new, when in science something new takes place, or the scientist or there is some new exploration, that time how human beings change, how human beings react on that technology, what they respond to that technology after the invention of new things. So this is according to Isaac Asimov. There are some major examples by which you can understand easily that what is science fiction actually. So, Time Machine. Time Machine was written by H.G. Wells in 1895. The Invisible Man. The Invisible Man was written by H.G. Wells and in 1897. The War of the Worlds. The War of the Worlds is also science fiction written by H.G. Wells in 1898. Brave New World. Brave New World is written by Aldous Huxley in 1932. 1984. 1984 is a novel written by George Orwell in 1949. Next, A Wrinkle in Time. A Wrinkle in Time is written by Madeleine L'Engle in 1962. Next, Frankenstein in 1818 by Mary Shelley. Next, Fahrenheit 451. Fahrenheit 451 is a novel written by Ray Bradbury in 1953. So these are some basic examples of major examples of science fiction. Science fiction like Frankenstein, which is written by Mary Shelley in 1818. In this science fiction, in this Frankenstein novel, you have seen that Greater Samsa was turned into a huge insect. He was a man. Greater Samsa was a man and he was turned into a huge insect. So that's how science fiction flourished. That's how the science fiction's story flourished. I hope you will read all these novels so that you will understand what is science fiction actually. So I hope you would like this video. So that's it for today. I'll meet you very soon with a new video lecture. Till then, keep studying and have fun with literature. Thank you.